Right, I'm Kevin Clark, I'm the welder at Progressive Engineering. I've been welding here for the last 12 years. As you can see, it's a bit of an untidy job. I started off following my father's and my brother-in-law's, my family's footsteps really. They was welders, and then I just picked it up at an early age basically, and then just went to college when the time was right. Got the certain degrees of levels, qualifications to actually do the job full time.
What sort of qualifications are needed?
They range from very basic courses. You can just do a 10-week course on one type of welding. And they're ranging all the way up to a degree. A lot of it can be coded. That's for like oil pipelines and things like that. And you can earn some really good money on doing that, going to Saudi Arabia and things like that. And a lot of it's like, there's a lot involved in it. You know, I do the tanker side, you know, the railways and stuff, which is pretty heavy duty. But it goes down to like car bodywork and things like that. There's a lot of different types of aspects in welding, but it's generally repairing things all the time. Out afterwards, I make things.
What kind of jobs are you working on today?
Today I'm making opening and closing hatches for the road tankers. You carry chemicals and things like that. As you can see, one behind you is actually on the test rig. This is a new sort of lid, which has been invented by Progressive Engineering. It's for bitumen tankers, just to transport bitumen around the country. It can range from petrol, chemicals, acids. We do quite a range for the rail and road transport. The welding that's actually involved in doing these lids is quite a lot. If you take a look over here, there's a lot of base rings here. They have to be welded on the inside of that corner there. Turn over, they are actually welded on that side before they go somewhere else to be machined or machined flat and everything. You've got the little welds on the insides and the outsides to sort the seams out of the rings. You've got the lid. You've got the brackets on the sides. I'll just show you there. Those are the hinges and the clamping down brackets all round. You've got the lids here. This is a double-faced ring. Put one plate on there first, weld it both sides, and then have to put some foam insulation in between it, put another plate on top, and then just weld that down, put more hinges on there, put a handle on it, put the braking devices onto it. So
that's a lot of work.
It takes just to do one. There is a lot involved.
Okay. So you've mentioned some of the things you don't like about it.
Well, you feel proud to have made something, to have achieved something when you stand back and look at the finished job, and when you say I've done that. It's not just these, but there's lots of good things that you can make. You can do things at home. You can do it as an hobby and stuff like that. You can buy a cheap welder now and make things for you. You can make your own garden furniture and there is well, as you can see, it's all mucky and messy and everything. You go home dirty a lot and everything. When you're finishing the bath or the shower, it is actually black when you've got to wash that out afterwards.